Hello, everybody. My name is Ivy. I'm from Beijing, the capital of China. I had learned and worked in many countries. I did see many foreigners want and willing to learn Chinese, but they couldn't find the suitable way or suitable method and books to learn it, and they couldn't have the result what they expected. So today I make this video to help the people who want to learn Chinese and no struggling, and they will learn with me easily. So let's start the first class. What is the first class? You have never thought it? Yes. Every first class they start with hello, daily conversation. Hello, how to say in Chinese? I think many people they know this word. That is very common Chinese that every foreigners are able to speak. Do you know how to speak it? Perfect. 你好. Yes, this is hello. Hello in Chinese is 你好. Are you able to speak again? You can practice it by yourself. Follow me. Look at my lips. 你好. Perfect. Okay. After they say hello, what are you going to say? Are you going to say bye with them? Bye. So go away. No, of course not. What are you going to say the next? If you are just know each other, what are you going to say? Oh, yes, you are right. You have to introduce yourself to them. The first sentences you have to introduce to them is your name. So, what is your name in Chinese? Next, we will learn where are you going? When the Chinese people meet each other, after they say kind regard with each other, they will say 你去哪儿? So it means where are you going? How to say? I will tell you, don't worry. 你去哪儿? I'm from Beijing, so there will be Even without I couldn't speak out, so I'm sorry, but I'm going to teach you how to say in Chinese. Don't worry, just follow me. So 你去哪儿? 你去哪儿? Yes, exactly. So repeat after me and look at me one more time. 你去哪儿? Yes, it's not that difficult if you can get my point. I know in the beginning it's very difficult, but later if you always learn together with me and you will get used to it. And when you talk out with 你去哪儿 to Chinese, wow, they will be very surprised. Wow, you can speak You know, that means that your Chinese is perfect. Okay, so don't worry and don't be so sad with that. Just follow one more time. 你去哪儿? Perfect. Just practice more and more. Do you remember what is 你去哪儿? In English, how to say it? Yes. Where are you going? Yes. Whenever you ask people, where are you going? What do you have to say? 你去哪儿? Yes, correct. When people ask you, so what are you going to answer? Are you going to answer, I'm going to supermarket, I'm going to work, or I'm going to more details places? That is so troublesome. Honestly, when the Chinese people meet you, they are not really want to ask you where are you going exactly. Just like this normal conversation. So are you going to answer them exactly the place that are you going to do? Going to? No. Normally, we will say, 我去办点事儿. I'm going to do some business. One more time. In Chinese, you say, 我去办事儿. 我去办事儿. One more time. 我去办事儿. Can you repeat after me? 我去办事儿. It means that I'm going to do some business. In this case, the people know, okay, you are going out. But if you really meet someone that you really won't tell them where are you exactly to go, that is, you will tell them the places. But for those kind of places, we will learn later. Okay? So now we repeat these two sentences one more time to review, because I think this one is a little bit difficult for you. Why? There's right? I know it. So just follow me. I will teach you one more time. 你去哪儿? 看，你去哪儿? Perfect. So what is the answer? The answer is 我去办事儿. 我去办事儿. Yes. When you speak, you follow, you say, when you ask or answer, the final word will be lighter. So, 我去办事儿. Perfect. Just practice more. But if someone, they don't ask you where are you going, they ask you some other sentences. What is the next? Some people, they will ask you what? Okay, let me see next. They will ask you, have you eaten already? What are you going to say? You know how to say it in Chinese, right? Don't worry, now we see it. Have you eaten already? In Chinese, they will say, 你吃饭了吗? 你吃饭了吗? The last sentence, the last word will be very light because that is a question. So have to be 你吃饭了吗? Yes. One more time. 你吃饭了吗? Yes. Very, very good. How to answer? Can you answer it? If you can answer these sentences in Chinese, it means that you can follow me second lesson, right? But now I have to tell the people who doesn't know it one more time in Chinese how to say it. If you say yes, I have, how to say? You say 我吃了, right? 我吃了, very light. 我吃了, 我吃了. Easy, right? But if you didn't have, what you are going to say? 我还没吃呢. 我还没吃呢. 没 means no. 我还没吃呢. Okay, so now I will show you how to do this kind of dialogue in Chinese. I ask the two person, okay? Show you. 你吃饭了吗? 我吃了. One more time. 你吃饭了吗? 我还没吃呢. Do you see it? Yeah, that is difference, right? Normally the 我吃了 only three letters, easier. But if you don't know how to say it in Chinese, you forgot. Oh, no, I haven't. How to say in Chinese, I forgot. Perhaps they just say, oh, 我吃了. No problem. Honestly, they don't care. They don't care that you really eat or not. Just no more dialogue. Just no more dialogue when they meet you. Right? So after those they already ask, if they ask, where are you going? Or 你吃了吗? What is the next? What is the next? The next, I will tell you next class. If you like my class, and please hit the subscribe button under. And whenever I have the new class, you will see it immediately. And thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.